Hi everyone. So I had recently done a survey of 20 participants who faced problematic work environments. So these were in my circle, they were friends of friends who we had a discussion with, and I had noted down their inputs. So each one had given a few points and I collected all of those to give a problem overview that you can see I have pasted in Gemini. Now Gemini realizes that this is a tough problem and suggests that it would be better if like not to stay in that work environment and if people transition to a new career role. So it proceeds to give me the answer that okay, that's a really tough environment, and it tells me blah 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 these things. So I tell it to actually give me a insightful product requirement document. I give it all the requirements. I tell it to do discovery, market research, come up with user personas, come up with a hypothesis, some solutions, feature prioritization, metrics, etc. So this is the PRD it gives me. It proceeds to think and give me the PRD. So as you can see, it has given me the PRD. This is the complete problem statement that employees exiting toxic work environments face significant and testing challenges. They experience symptoms as follows. Then this is the market research, how to go about doing the discovery. You see it here. Then it forms the hypothesis. So these are the key user personas. Now it gives a solution as mindful transition, a mobile first app which gives emotional healing and support, unlearning and rebuilding, future proofing your career. Alright, so we copy the product requirement document and paste it onto Lovable. See what it comes up with. You can alternatively also try talking to Lovable directly, telling it your problem, and then it will come up with a PRD. But I just was trying a different approach today. So first I asked Gemini and then pasted the PRD onto Lovable. Curious to see how different are you folks doing it, which approach is good. I think a PM's thinking ability differs uh, from PM to PM, and hence the best PMs are ever in demand, right? Because their thinking matters. How deeply you think totally depends on that. So yeah, Lovable is doing a lot of thinking. Meanwhile, we also copy the same PRD onto Volt. See what that comes up with. This is also V0, which is, I heard it's a great platform for prototyping. I pasted my BRD here too. It has taken it in the form of a form file, and then I'm also giving it a prompt like uh, make a calm app, and which is easy breezy to use. So let's see what this also comes up with. I think that this is a great time where a lot of dev things which technically challenged PMs like me could not do previously. Now we can do it with just chatting with the AI. That's how far technology has come. It has made people like me also develop these apps, like just these prototypes. I'm just developing a front end right now, and I get to tell people, okay, I developed a front end and stuff, right? So what it has done is it has lowered the barriers to entry for a tech role to me. Not really, but somehow, which I can say to my developer friends, okay, देख ये मैंने भी बनाया. Okay, looks like Lovable has given me a blank app. That means I'm out of credits. I have to come back again tomorrow to Lovable and then build my app. So stay tuned for that as well. Okay, here we see we have got an app from Bolt. Bolt has managed to give up Sun app. I'm trying to sign in here. Let's see with my password. What's my password by the way? Okay, I have to sign up because it's the first time I'm using it. See, okay, in goes my password. Create account. Wow, this looks interesting. This looks actually really good. Join community discussions, practice setting boundaries. Wow, interview red flag checklist. Track your progress. Okay, I think the presence of community is great when you're trying to recover from toxic environments. Also, this is a checklist. Yeah. Wow, it actually gives you suggestions, it gives you tips, it gives you scenarios where you could have given such and such answer to your boss or somebody who's been a little unreasonable. It helps you set boundaries. For example, you received a very late email from your office and you want to be polite because you don't want to burn bridges. So, how will you tell? Yeah, how will you tell your manager that, okay, this is not something which I'll do right now? I love this actually, the feature. Questions to ask the interviewer whether the job is a red flag or not. It absolutely tells you at the outset कि something is wrong or not. I like the daily affirmations. Also, what people in your community are doing. Like, if you have same kind of people who have struggled with these environments, what are they asking questions on? All in all, this is a great app. Achievements. So, I believe having worked sometime in a difficult environment, tracking your achievements, however small it is, plays a huge role in your self confidence. Even if people tell you that your job does not make a difference, you have a list to prove. You have a list, buddy. You can, have a brag sheet. You can keep a list where you have contributed more and more than usual, above and beyond on your achievements. This is all in all a great app. Great job, Bolt. I think also the PRD which we generated, that also had a huge role to play in. So the prompting techniques that also matter when you want a great looking app to come out of the whole prototyping process. Here I see we have run into some problem. Uh, I guess it's an issue with tokens. Okay, stay tuned. I'll be back. As also, we have V0 here acting a little crazy. I asked it for a breezy app. It has given me a picture of breeze or picture of waveforms. Either it is not feeling well today. I caught it at a bad time. This is Bolt again doing something something different. Okay, so I published the Bolt app. You can see the app link on your left screen. I'll be putting that link in your chat boxes in your comment section. So do try it and let me know how it works for you. So now we have effectively developed the front end. This is me again tinkering with the app. I don't know if I am on a company plan, then why not? So I connected my GitHub account also with that. So the next time we will try to push the code to GitHub and then go back to the cursor ID or cursor or Windsurf. I have used cursor and found it pretty intuitive. So I'll try to go and do the cursor ID and develop the backend as well. Take the help of developer bro. And here we go. It is published. So do give it a go and see. Tell me how it was. Right?